The United States is prepared to stand with the Afghan people for the long haul to support this transition to sustainable stability and growth.
Итак, мы начинаем. Избирателей, проголосовавших за 7 партий.
I got to hug David Beckham. Yeah, he put his arm around my shoulder.